Hi everyone, my name's Jason Snart. I'm a professor of English here at the College of DuPage.
And I'm Angelina Ayala. I'm a student at COD majoring in psychology. In the fall of 2018, I took Professor Snart's Honors English 1102 class, and we are here to talk about a group research project that the whole class worked on.
About midway through the term, I assigned our class what we called the Short Story Annotation Project. It's designed to have students work on a number of our course objectives, including practicing writing as a process and analyzing rhetorical situations.
As you can see, there's an embedded Google Doc on the homepage of the project website. This is the short story we all read for class, Karen Russell's St. Lucy's Home for Girls Raised by Wolves. Then within that document, students created hyperlinks that connected to each group or individual research project.
If we follow links in the document,
or click menu items at the left,
we land on each research project page.
So we ended up with one whole class project, but built of parts created by smaller groups in the class,
all pointing back to the short story, where we began.
The projects were very diverse and reflected the unique approach that each group or individual chose to take.
Let's follow the link to the Moon Phases and Behavior project.
That's the one that I created with my classmate Isan.
The class started by creating research proposals, as you can see here.
After brainstorming with our whole class, my research partner and I decided to propose a project where we explore how the phases of the moon may affect both human and werewolf behavior.
After developing research proposals, students created annotated bibliographies in which they found and described sources related to their topics.
For my specific project, my partner and I ran into the problem of there not being many reliable so-called academic sources about werewolves. So we ended up focusing on the mythology surrounding werewolves and analyzing those kinds of sources.
Students then gathered feedback on their projects from other classmates and began to create project materials like slides, videos, and web pages.
My partner Azan and I decided to create a slide deck. Here you can see slides that report findings from a survey we conducted with COD students, in addition to research materials about the lunar cycle and what we discovered about werewolf mythology.
And we can see how Isan and Angelina built a link out from the story to their finished research project. So what we ended up with as a class was a diverse set of research projects, but all linked back to our one starting point, the short story.
We invite you to take a look at all of the various research projects.
On each of those pages, you'll find a research proposal, a bibliography, and of course the finished project.
This assignment challenged us to be creative and critical thinkers. We were able to explore an idea that was of interest to us personally, and we had the freedom to create a final product that made the most sense for communicating our research findings.
Thanks for visiting!